Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to convert number to words using Google search without any stress. Let me show you how. So have you open up your Chrome browser? Next thing you want to do is to come to the address bar right here. Let's say we want to convert 1000 to words. So for that, go ahead and type in the number. After you type in the number, go ahead and type in words. And then once you type in words, go ahead and hit enter. And in a few seconds, you have it words right here. You can go on and convert any number or turn any number to words. Like for instance, you want to make this 10,000. So just add a zero and hit enter. And you have the result right here. You can also add another result. This will give you another thing. So let's enter. So this is 100,000. We had another zero right here and then hit enter. And it gives you 1 million. You can go on and use this method to convert any number to words in Google search. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.